Joel, I need to be honest with you.
What's wrong?
I'm nervous about tomorrow.
Nervous? But skiing?
It's the first time I've ever been on skis. Of course I'm nervous.
I'm not nervous at all.
Joel, you fell off a bicycle last summer.
That bicycle had a mechanical fault.
You fell getting on the bicycle.
I was testing the brakes.
You should be at least a little nervous.
I'm excited. Excited is better than nervous.
Sometimes they feel the same.
See? Then I might be nervous and not know it.
That's not reassuring.
We're gonna be fine. We'll take a lesson. They teach total beginners every day.
I have a feeling.
Not the feeling again.
It's always right.
Pack your warm things. We'll leave at 7. Try not to be nervous.
Trying not to be nervous doesn't make you less nervous.
I'll make a note of that.
Hi, we're going skiing tomorrow. First time. We need proper clothing.
First-timers, welcome. Are you nervous?
Very. Not even slightly.
The confident ones always fall the hardest on day 1.
I appreciate that encouragement.
You'll need a waterproof outer layer, jacket and trousers, then a thermal base layer underneath.
What's a thermal layer?
Thin clothing that traps your body heat. You wear it next to your skin.
2 layers.
3 if you feel the cold easily. The mountain wind is brutal above 9,000 feet.
Heim feels the cold very easily.
3 layers for you, 2 for him. And gloves. Not just any gloves. Waterproof ski gloves.
What's wrong with normal gloves?
Snow gets inside normal gloves in about 10 minutes. Then your hands are wet and frozen.
I'll take the ski gloves. And I need goggles.
Essential. The glare off the snow is very strong. Without goggles, you can't see the slope clearly.
I didn't know that. So goggles aren't just for style?
They're actually safety equipment. And these ones have UV protection. The sun is stronger at altitude, so you can even get sunburned in the snow.
I didn't know that. We'll take the goggles.
Smart. Total for both sets, $220.
A lot. But I feel encouraged already.
That's exactly the right attitude. You'll be fine on those slopes.
Joel, look at that mountain.
It's enormous.
People are skiing down it. At speed.
That's what you do on a mountain.
I'm nervous again.
We're not going up there. Not today. Beginners start on the green slope.
How steep is the green slope?
It's almost flat. Nearly.
Nearly is doing a lot of work in that sentence.
I'm going to be honest. I'm a little nervous now.
A little?
Seeing the actual mountain makes it more real.
Yes, that's what a mountain does.
I thought the photos made it look bigger than it is.
They did not.
No, they did not.
We're doing this.
We are doing this.
Encourage me.
You're brave. You're athletic. You've never skied, but you've done harder things.
That's actually quite good.
I practiced in the car. Of course you did.
Morning? Rentals for 2?
Yes, complete beginners. Boots, skis, poles.
First time?
Is it obvious?
You both look slightly nervous and very overdressed. Classic first-timers.
We're appropriately dressed.
I like you. Boots first. Shoe sizes?
I'm a 10.
Ski boots run small. I'll bring an 11 and an 8.
These feel extremely tight.
They should. Loose ski boots are dangerous. Your ankle needs to be completely locked in.
Are you sure this isn't too tight?
Walk on the mat. Tell me if your heel lifts. Perfect fit. You'll forget about the tightness after 20 minutes.
Mine feel like my feet are inside a brick.
Exactly right. Now, skis. Beginners get shorter skis. Easier to turn and stop.
How do we stop?
Your instructor will teach you the snowplow. Tips of the skis together, heels apart, makes a pizza shape.
A pizza shape?
It sounds funny, but it works perfectly. Thousands of people learn this way every year. Don't be nervous. The instructor is excellent. He's very encouraging.
Encouraging is exactly what I need right now.
You'll be fine. Total rental, $45 each. Instructor meets you at the green slope at 10.
Good morning. I'm Diego. You must be the Harris couple. First time on skis?
Very first time. I'm nervous.
I know. Everyone is nervous the first time. That's completely normal. Your legs tell a different story.
That's just the cold.
It's 12 degrees and you're sweating. But that's okay. Being nervous means your body is ready to learn. Let's start on flat ground. Before you go downhill, you need to understand your skis. Bend your knees. Lean slightly forward. Do not lean back. If you lean back, you will fall.
What if I'm nervous and I lean back?
Then you fall. But falling is not a problem. Everyone falls. The brave thing is getting back up.
Everyone falls?
Everyone, including me. I've been skiing for 20 years and I still fall sometimes.
That's encouraging.
It should be. Falling is how you learn. Now, the snowplow. Tips together, heels apart. Try it. Remember, lean forward. Pizza shape to slow down. I'll be at the bottom. Go one at a time. Anna, you go first.
Why me first?
Because Joel said you were brave.
Joel.
Whenever you're ready, take a breath.
I'm nervous.
I know. Go anyway.
I did it. I fell, but I did it.
That was excellent for a first run. Brave and smart. You held the snowplow all the way down.
Joel, your turn. You can do it. I'll encourage you from down here. Joel, anytime. My legs are completely gone.
Mine too. I didn't know skiing used all of these muscles.
You went down the slope 4 times.
You went down 6.
I was less nervous after the third one.
I was less nervous after the falling.
After you fell?
Yes. I thought, that's the worst thing. I survived it. I'm not nervous anymore.
That's actually quite wise.
I have my moments. What are you eating?
Chili. The biggest bowl they have.
2 chilies?
2 chilies and 2 hot chocolates, please.
First time skiing?
How do you know?
You both have that specific look. Tired, happy, and slightly surprised to be alive.
That is exactly accurate.
It's my favorite look. Welcome to skiing. It gets better every time.
Encouraging words.
The mountain has a way of encouraging people. Food will be about 10 minutes.
Next time, I want to try the blue slope.
That's the second easiest.
I was nervous about the green this morning. Now it feels small.
That's what encourage means. It moves the line of what feels scary.
Exactly. Diego encouraged us enough that the green slope felt possible. Now the blue feels possible.
I'll put thank Diego on the list.
The list is mine.
You can write it for me.
Okay. Joelle.
I know.
You locked us out.
I know.
And we got a suite with a hot tub.
The universe encourages those who make mistakes bravely.
That's not a real saying.
It should be. Get in the hot tub.
I was so nervous this morning.
I know, but you went first.
You encouraged me.
I said you were brave.
Same thing.
Is it?
When someone tells you you're brave, it encourages you to act like you are.
So, encouraging someone is telling them who they already are?
I think so.
I'm not nervous about the slope anymore.
I know. I can tell.
Tomorrow? The blue slope.
Tomorrow, the blue slope.
Are you nervous?
A little, but the good kind now.
What's the difference?
Morning nervous is fear. Evening nervous is excitement.
That's actually very good.
I have my moments too.